Hey everybody, Glenn here. Got something I want to show you with my phone that I discovered. I had an app, and by the way, Cindy, if you see this video with your Windows Phone 7, you want to keep track of the current gas prices, go into the store and go download an app called Gas Buddy. And they also have another one that's called something else Buddy, where you can track packages. Like if you've got something being delivered by UPS or FedEx, you can track it with it, and I forget what it's called. I had it before, I can find it. But anyways, Gas Buddy's really good because it shows you the current gas prices in your area. So let me show you something that I discovered that you can do with Windows Phone 8 that's awesome. This is really cool. I could not believe this. Okay, turn my phone on, right? Okay, I'm going to move my screen up out of the way. Okay, let me scroll down here. Now, as I told you before, these are known as what's known as live tiles. Everything here is live. Like even, see, these are all my people's tiles. These are all a good portion of my contacts that I have added out to the front. And, you know, if I get notifications on Facebook that you have sent me something or anything to do with you guys, each one of these will show, like, you know, something there that, you know, you either sent me an email or sent me a text, or you hit me up on Facebook, or you send me something to my my timeline. It'll show up in here. But let me show you about this Gas Buddy thing. This is really cool. Let me get down to Gas Buddy. I've got it right down here at the bottom. Okay, here's my app right here. It's called Gas Buddy. This shows you the current gas prices. If I open this up, okay. Okay, put in my zip code. Okay, now watch this. This is really cool. These are all the gas stations in my area and all the current prices, right? Okay, I'm going to come down, and I normally go to a Shell station, which is, you know, over in Buzzards Bay. Here it is right here. As you can see right now, same price as what we paid last night, $3.43, right? So I'm going to click. I'm going to go into the app. Now it's showing me all the different prices of their gas over there, unleaded, you know, regular, mid-grade, premium, and diesel. And watch this. Then I click right down here at the bottom. All right, let me see. Oh, okay. Okay. Now see, I just opened up down the bottom right here. I click these three little dots right here, right? You watch, okay? Now if I click these three little dots, let me do that again. Okay. Now it shows a pin. Now watch this. This is really cool. It's the gas station I go to all the time. Now what I've done is I have pinned that gas station right here. Right down here to my start menu. Now for that one particular station, so that's where I go all the time. If I go there because I like the gas, I like Shell gas, and the price is always usually the cheapest around. So that's where I go. And look, it's a live tile. It's showing me the current price for the unleaded, which is $3.43, and then it shows me the, you know, where it's at, 246 Main Street, Buzzards Bay. And if I click it, now I can open it up, and I'm right back into here, showing me the prices for everything. So it's really, really cool. I really like this app, and I like how I can just pin it right down here to the start menu. That's where I go all the time. Now I have no reason to go up here and open this to go in, when now I just have it right down the bottom and I'm all set to go. I can see my current gas price. I can open it up to go in. It'll take me right to that station and show me the price. So look at that. Cool, huh? Just wanted to show you that. It was just something that I thought was really unique. So these Windows phones are really, really nice in that way, the way they're setting them up. And something else I want to tell you real quick. The other thing is you know, you people, if you're watching this video, if you have an iPhone or an Android, and you guys are like all proud of, oh, well, Windows don't have any apps in their stores. Well, guess what? They could have just as many apps in their store as Apple tomorrow. And you know why? Because what they did was, when they set these new phones up, the code that they wrote for these new phones is real close to Apple and to Android. So if somebody has an app for both the iStore and for the Android store, now they can change the code just ever so slightly and put it right over here on Windows 8. So guess what? If all those developers that have apps for either one of those stores or both, and they want to jump in and create apps over here for the Windows Phone 8, they could do that tonight. By tomorrow, they could have that put right over on the Windows Store, and Windows could have just as many apps as either Android or for Apple. So in other words, when someone creates an app for the Apple Store, guess what? At the same time, they can create it for the Windows Store, and guess what? Windows can have just as many apps as Apple. So if you think you've got the coolest device because they've got all the apps and all the cool apps and more than because Windows just starting out, well, you're wrong, because Windows can have just as many apps as the Apple Store can. So there you go. I just wanted to throw that out there because I just wanted to let you know that Windows is really doing a nice job with all the new products and stuff. They've reinvented Windows. Oh, and by the way, you saw they've had their own tablet, which is called the Windows Surface tablet. Well, Windows Phone Central put an article on last night. They received a company called Foxconn, Foxconn. Foxconn has just received. Now they are a company that manufactures devices, and they just received 2 orders from 2 companies, and it is believed to be, one is Microsoft, and the other is Amazon. It looks like Amazon is going to start creating their own mobile device, which will be a phone, which will probably be an Android-based device, as well as Microsoft is going to be creating their own phone as well, so it'll be a Windows phone with their name on it. So I just want to throw that out to let you know that Microsoft is in the works with a new phone, and it looks like it's already in process because, like I said, the company Foxconn has received 2 orders, and that's to believe to be what it is Microsoft and Amazon are the 2 that put their orders in. So there we go. Just wait. Windows will have a phone out probably mid 2013 is what it looks like. So by summertime, Microsoft will be selling their own phone under their own name. So, hey Apple, guess what? Hey Android, guess what? Watch out. There's a new sheriff in town, and their name's Microsoft, and they're producing some really nice products. So be aware. I'm telling you, Apple's going down the tubes. Their sales have already dropped significantly, so that only tells me one thing. So there you go. Okay, see you, everybody. I'm out of here. Peace, brother.